Hi everyone, this is Michelle and welcome back to my channel. Okay, hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, you've seen videos about calories and also the palettes that I collected during the quarantine. And of course, you have seen about Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And these are the few videos that you saw in the last few weeks. So now what are we going to do? So it's been a long time since I reviewed makeup. And I'm sure you miss it already. You want to play with colors. So now, let's review. Okay? The Supreme Gloss by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So, let's take a look at the Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick by Jeffree Star. Look at this. So guys, I know it's been a while since I did the makeup tutorial or the swatching, and yeah, it's been crazy the last few months and everyone's trying to really cope with this quarantine, and I focus on the videos that people would need more, right? And of course, since our video is about wellness, beauty, and success, we would have to do beauty videos, alright? So you have seen this Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick. Jeffree Star launched his collection of the Velour lipstick way back. But this one, the reason why I got this, because it is rainbow color. And the rainbow color, you can use in different kinds of makeup. You know, from creative makeup to basic makeup. And that's why I got this. So, let's open it up. Yay! It's really very pretty. I love the interplay of colors. In fact, I've waited for this to come back because it was out of stock since I think August last year. So it came back. This arrived from the mail about a month ago, and I really haven't used this. Alright? And of course, his newly launched Supreme Gloss. This arrived also about a few weeks ago. So it's really amazing how they are. This is the new collection of his lipstick or lip gloss. Okay, so I love these colors. So I prefer to order the colorful, playful, you know, liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. So let's start swatching. Alright? Okay, let's start swatching this Velour liquid lipstick. Okay, so these are very tiny lipstick, and so let's start with Diva. This is pinky color liquid lipstick. Let's start with this one. Yes, it's really pinky, it's opaque, and it's amazing color. I think it would suit what I'm wearing right now. There you go. Then the next color is called Red Rum. This is really red. Let's try this. Wow, I would say it's blue toned red. Oh, perfect for any occasion, and maybe if you want to put it on your eye. You have to remember that these colors are vegan, they're eye safe. So you can also use it for your eyes, for eyeliners. So this one is called Flamethrower. Wow, beautiful orange. Wow, look at that. It's tangerine orange. It's really something warm. Alright, it's a warm toned orange. So this one is Queen Bee. It's opaque yellow. Go try it. There you go. Very good yellow opaque color. And the next one is called Equity. This one is really green. It looks pure green to me. Wow, yes, look at that. Okay. And then, this is a very nice baby blue. It's Breakfast at Tiffany's. Okay, wow. Look at that. It's really very nice, huh? And the next one is in the blue color family. Blue Velvet. There you go. This blue color is more of periwinkle blue. There you go. Okay, and the last color is called I'm Royalty. Okay, there you go. Wow, it's very beautiful violet. There you go. So, just watch this Velour mini liquid lipstick. So we're gonna move on to the Supreme Gloss. So let me show you the packaging of the Supreme Gloss. Looks like this. And I think it's longer than the regular gloss lipstick. And let me show you how the tip or the foam looks like. It's like a doe foot design tip, whereas if you're gonna look at the gloss, it's the regular tip, foam tip. There you go. Alright. Okay, so for the Supreme Lip Gloss, we're going to do some swatching as well. But what I wanted to see right is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing right now the classic Queen Supreme. Alright, so I'm already wearing it. It's here. Let's try to reapply it. Yes. It's easy to reapply, and I'm a bit like adjusting to that foam or tip because it's different, see? But it's comfortable on the lips. Alright? Next. Alright, so the next lipstick is what we call Urethra. Alright? So this one is the yellow colored Supreme Gloss. Let's try this. Okay. Ooh. My gosh, I feel like I disappeared from the camera. Okay, this is very good for someone who's really morena or brown skinned or olive skinned. Yes. Yeah, but here it is. It's, yeah. Okay, what do you think? Okay, let's move on to the next. Alright, let's try this 714. This one I used in the beach. I went to the beach about 4 weeks ago, so I tried this. Awesome. Look. Well, okay. There you go. Perfect. This is the perfect lipstick when you go to the beach and you have this sunny atmosphere and you want to kind of pop out, okay? Because it's so sunny and you want something like this, all right? So this is 714. The next one is another amazing color for the beach. It's called watermelon soda. So this is the watermelon soda. One of my favorite colors. I actually got a watermelon color Velvet Trap lipstick of Jeffree Star. Let's try it. There you go. Wow. There. It's perfect for the parties at night. Yes, I know you're wearing mask right now. We all are. But this one is amazing color. Okay. Let's try the next color. Let's try this blue balls. Okay, let's go for it. Bam! Wow. It's very similar to the Breakfast at Tiffany's, I think. Well, let's try it. Oops. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Well, you can use this if you want something creative. You're wearing this costume makeup. There you go. Yeah. You can also use this for your eyeliner. But for me, I feel like I ate some popsicle. Yeah, right? Okay. There it is. All right. Let's go to the next. Go to the next blue color. It's called Lost in Paradise. It's another blue color, but it is baby blue. Well, it looks blue to me, but it can look like mint color, but I don't know, okay? But it looks good, I believe. Let's see. Wow! This is opaque. This is really good if you really want to stand out in the crowd and, you know, to look really outstanding in a party, or like if you just want to stroll around. It's really good. Okay, so my lips are starting to complain, but it's okay. We are now in frosting for dinner. This is another color from the lavender color family. So let's try it. since my lips are getting a little bit irritated from the cleansing of the gloss, I think the gloss has some soothing effect on your lips. It's really soothing, it's nice, and this color is also good. It's amazing color. Another opaque gloss. Let's go to the last color. This is what you call No Apologies. Bam! Another violet lavender color, but it's not the same with the last one. They're totally different. Yeah, it's different. This is more of the lavender one, and this is more of the bluish, more the periwinkle family. Okay, let's try it. Wow. Okay, so this is the last color I got. I think it's good if you really want to party, if you want to look different, you could try this color. But one thing I can tell you, they're very comfortable on the lips. It's very easy to be removed by any lip remover or lipstick remover like the Clinique. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. It's very easy. Even with a simple micellar lotion, you can take it off. Okay, let me show it to you. Bam, gone. Yeah. That's it. It's easy to be taken off. Bam! I'm back with the Queen Supreme. Okay, so God, thank God, has good formula. I've tried the 8 glosses. It's very comforting on the lips, and I like it. I like wearing this. Okay, so if you're gonna ask me what are the difference between the Velour liquid lipstick and that of the Supreme lip gloss, well, the Velour liquid lipstick is, first of all, it's lipstick, not lip gloss. And this one also is opaque lipstick. It's matte, it's not glossy, it doesn't hydrate. Alright, so this is the difference, okay? So whereas with the Supreme gloss, this is a gloss, it's opaque, it's lip caring, and of course also well pigmented. And if you're the type of person whose lips are drying and you're wearing the mask all the time, I suggest that you get on the lip gloss. Alright, so that's the reason why I got them, because I know it's good for the lips. Alright, and it looks good as well. Alright, okay. Okay, so if you're gonna ask me if they're really good, yes, they're very good. I like them. I trust the quality. I trust the ingredients. They're cruelty-free, vegan, and of course Jeffree Star would always make sure that his products are really high quality. Alright, so for me, these are highly recommended. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, click below the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.